Mudlarking, another trip of Mudbagger, and now for something completely different. Well, the wind noise was so bad, unstoppable, and never ending. So I cut out all the noise and try to give my comments now. I hope you don't mind. Give me a break and we'll see what I can tell you. Well, that's a broken pencil, of course. I'm on Bottle Beach, and hey, what did I miss there? Okay, that's a shame. I'm on Bottle Beach, and it's messy, it's windy, but it's always fascinating to be here. Look here, wonderful tile, Art Deco style. Is it a flower or an insect? Or is it a bit of both? Great. That was a tile from a stove. It has a hole in the middle. It was fixed to a stove. Great. So we go on. Imagine that. There's probably a leather jacket laying in the mud. Wouldn't it be a good idea to dig it out entirely, take it home, conserve it, and wear it? Impossible, I think. But I always wonder maybe somebody can use old leather. And this mistake by me, that is a salt shaker, of course. I should have kept that one, didn't do it. That's probably some kind of a lipstick. This bead turned out to be a small light bulb. It's a shame. And that is big glass bead, probably from a lamp or some decoration on a thing. Don't know what. Great, always great. A plain tile. That's a sauce bottle. And there's a teapot hiding without the ear, so I leave it. Now, I don't like all this plastic, but underneath is city waste from the First World War. And yeah, gives you terrific finds if you lucky enough. So I have to endure this debris of plastics and all from the wrong period up to the 70s. Underneath, that's where the goodies are. There I'm missing something too. This round object behind the stone. Don't know what it is, and I will never know. Probably nothing, but I should have had a better look. Cute bottle. Yep, take that one. That will clean up nicely. It's intact. That was no ring, okay? No, don't think so. Very bad shape. Small spoon. It's not savable. Leave it. That's a rather 60 thing. You hang material like that on your keyring. And on this one is a picture that will move when you look at it and when you move the thing itself. It's still there, it's still working, but it's not in good condition anymore, of course. So we go on along the water's edge. That's where the treasures are. Washing cleans before your eyes. It's great. Small treasure. A round and square button. Okay. So much to look at. So much to find and so much to miss. A stainless steel fork for the project. Okay, take that one. Clean it, use it. Must finish my project these days. I know will. So, and if this works out with me talking now, then ooh, that's a L'Oreal bottle broken. Then it prevents me from unnecessarily scrapping good material. This wind noise can be very disturbing and can be a nuisance, and it's hard to do anything about it. Looky here, that's press papier or a paperweight. And it's a nice thing, it was. Now I'm very sure it is burned and hammered, mistreated. So I certainly don't want it. Something I cannot enjoy looking at home. So must leave it. That's another gin bottle. Smaller ones, more for the secret drinkers among us. A hip flask in Dutch. Well, what was that round disc underneath? Didn't see it good enough. Here's some tiles. Will I turn some over? Nope. Yeah, that's quite out of place. And children's watch with game in it. No. Typical of something washing on the foreshore and not washing clean underneath. So pretty modern, I think. Okay, somehow the recording stopped. Don't know why. We go on. Just a couple of minutes of this trip, and let's see, is there something more around, something special? Looks very promising again, this ground. The small metals appear. That's a coin. Yeah, can tell you now. It's a Belgium coin, 1904, and it's in good condition. Great. Amazing how things can stay in top condition in this ground. Without oxygen is great. Yeah, small beat. And a button and a strip of brass. That's again something brass. What do I miss there? Looks like an old shaver. Next to my foot is a lock of a front door. Didn't see it. There it is. Yeah, what can I do? I, and that was a brilliant uniform button, but the face is gone. So it was off badly made, too thin, or polished and polished and polished. Finally polished in pieces. That's also possible. It's a pity, but what can you do? There are always buttons around. Do you see anything? Yeah, a marble. Always good. And that tile. Do I turn that one? Oh, yeah. And another one. I'll take the bluish one. And it's now on my table here at home, waiting to be collected by a friend. That was a blue marble. So great. That's a very small buckle, probably from underclothing, a bra, something like that. Well, what do we have here? Ooh, ah, a cute little figurine with a girly figure. Well, I have some broken figurines for today, and I won't take that one as well. If you don't agree, okay, uh, I don't want to go home with a bag full of broken figurines. Hope you understand. So, bye bye.